So this is part A on testing an input and output code on the MSP432. So here we have our code, and part A consists on pressing switch 1 on the MSP432 board and having LED 1 turn on. So here we have switch 1, we have switch 2 over here, and then we have the reset button here. So yeah, our first test is to press the switch for 0.5 seconds and then release. And then the expected outcome is to turn in and turn off as soon as the switch is pressed and released. There's no delay on it. It works pretty fine. Then our second test plan is to have the switch pressed for 10 seconds. Just to see if there's any change on the LED or anything, but we can see that it works just fine. And as long as we keep it pressed, it's just gonna keep on the LED. And then as soon as we release, the LED is gonna turn off. Then our third test plan is to press switch 1 and switch 2 at the same time. And we can see that the LED still turns on, and that is because we didn't initialize the switch number 2. So it's not taken, even if we're pressing it, it is not taken as an input just because we didn't initialize it or we didn't program it for it. So yeah, it would just like continue to work as normal, as if only we were pressing switch 1. And then our last test plan is to press the switch 1 and then press the reset button over here to see if there's any change. So we're gonna press it. So here we press, and then we press the reset button, and then we see that it just like turns it off. So the reset will not alter the code at all. It'll just turn off the LED as long as it is pressed, and then as soon as it is released, it'll come back to normal. So those are all the tests performed on the MSP432 for part A.